Dear students, I welcome you all to the crash course in chemistry. I am Deepa ma'am. Today I would like to discuss with you what the subject chemistry deals with. Why is it important to learn the subject from the academic point of view and from the point of view of practical utility? You all know that chemistry is one among the subjects which you have to study in order to appear in entrance examinations. A thorough basic knowledge of chemistry, along with a good understanding of the concepts, would definitely help you to score a higher rank in these examinations. I can also assure you that chemistry is one subject which would definitely help you to score a higher aggregate of marks in the 12th standard board examination. A better understanding of the subject would also help you to easily crack other competitive examinations. In class 11 chemistry textbook, you will be studying in detail about all the basic concepts required to have a better understanding of the topics included in class 12 chemistry. Even though in class 11 a board examination is not there, you should take your studies seriously and try to develop a better and clear understanding of the concepts. This would help you to give a better performance in the entrance examination as well as in your board examination. A clear understanding of the subject chemistry would also help you to develop research aptitude and then enter into a field of research. So that's all about the importance of studying chemistry from the academic point of view. Chemistry is also important from the point of view of practical utility. Just think about the things used in our everyday life. Soaps, are nothing but sodium or potassium salts of long chain carboxylic acids. Then we have detergents, medicines, toothpaste, which is basic in nature, metals like iron, used in making the machinery parts, steel used in making vessels, non-stick cookware, crockery items, dress materials made of polyester, dyes used in your colorful dresses. These are only few examples. You can find out more and more examples. So now you would have come to know about the practical utility of chemistry. Having known about the importance of studying chemistry, I would like each one of you to take a good initiative to understand the subject and make the study of chemistry a joyful one, an interesting one. I wish you all the best. Let us discuss about some basic concepts of chemistry. Children, do you know what does chemistry deal with? Yes, chemistry deals with the composition, structure, interaction and properties of matter. That means chemistry deals with matter. What is matter made up of? Atoms and molecules. So chemistry can be considered as the science of atoms and molecules. You have studied about covalent compounds, ionic compounds, then compounds like aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids. You also know that an ionic bond is present in ionic compounds and ions are the constituent particles. Whereas in carbon compounds, a covalent bond is present. You have studied about functional groups. Aldehydes contain the functional group CHO. Alcohols contain OH functional group. Thus, it gives you a knowledge about the composition and structure of matter. In chemistry, you will also study about the properties of matter. You will also learn how matter interact with each other. You will also find it interesting to study how a compound can be converted into another compound. That is, how chemical transformations occur. Importance of chemistry. You can see here the various contributions of chemistry like polymers, soaps and detergents, dyes, medicines, metals, alloys, organic and inorganic chemicals, food and healthcare products. We have polymers like Teflon used in non-stick cookwares, fibers like nylon, polyester, then soaps are sodium or potassium salts of long chain carboxylic acids. Dyes are also chemical compounds. Several life-saving medicines are also contributed by chemistry. The common medicine aspirin is chemically acetyl salicylic acid. We have antacids like milk of magnesia, ranitidine, which are used to get rid of acidity. Next, if we consider metals, they are also of great use to mankind. Iron is used in making machine parts, gold and silver used for making ornaments, copper used for making electrical wires. And then if we consider alloys, they are also of great use. You have studied about brass, bronze, solder, and you know solder is used for welding electrical wires. Aluminium magnesium alloy is used to make the aircraft structure. There are also several organic and inorganic chemicals which are of great use. Chemistry is also important in the area of food and healthcare products. You know that citric acid is present in citrus fruits. Oxalic acid is present in tomato. The common salt which we use in our everyday life is nothing but sodium chloride. The sugar present in fruits are also chemicals like fructose. Thus, having realized the importance of chemistry in everyday life, we should also try to learn in detail, or I would say, learn more about chemistry.